Did you know that more than one person can manage a YouTube channel? Let's see. From most YouTube screens, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and go to the YouTube Studio. Then Settings. Then Permissions. Here, click Invite and enter the email of the person to whom you want to grant access. The email should be associated with the Google account. Now you can choose one of the access options. Manager. Can view everything, manage permissions, go live, and create, edit and delete content. Editor. Can view everything, go live, and create and edit content. Can't manage permissions or delete content. Editor, limited. Same permissions as editor, but can't view revenue data. Viewer. Can view everything. Can't create, edit or delete anything. Viewer, limited. Same permissions as viewer, but can't view revenue data. Once you select your access option, click on Done and then Save.